Hi everyone, it's Ronnie, and today I'm going to give you some tips on how to decide what recipes to add to your meal plan. If you watched my last video, which I will link somewhere here, you know that I gave you 5 tips for creating a meal plan. And one of the tips was looking at your schedule before you create your meal plan. Now that is also going to play a big part in what recipes that you choose. If you're having a busier week, you obviously want to choose dinners that aren't going to take as much time, like a 30-minute dinner, maybe something in the crock pot, or recipes that are going to give you leftovers earlier in the week so that you have things to eat that you don't have to prep later in the week. Another thing that your schedule is going to tell you is if you're going to have guests in town. So you obviously want to create your meal plan around the people that you might be serving in addition to your family, and whether they have food allergies or just increasing the serving sizes so that you're buying enough food for everybody. The next most important thing for choosing recipes for your meal plan is to choose family favorites. Now, you always want to have a few family favorites in your meal plan because they're crowd pleasers. In Plan to Eat, you can tag recipes with tags such as family favorites, or you can tag them with specific family members' names so you know that it's a recipe that they love. You can also use the 5-star rating system to add 5 stars to the recipes that everyone loves. Another thing is to look at how many ingredients are in the recipes that you want to plan. I personally like to plan recipes that have fewer ingredients because it just makes a simpler and easier recipe to make. But you might like recipes that include a lot of spices or a lot of different flavors, and so you want to go in and check the recipes to see if the ingredients are things that you like. And on that same note is that you might want to plan around what you already have at your house. So in Plan to Eat, you can use the with all and with any ingredients filters. You can type in multiple ingredients and then it will populate recipes based off of those items, and then you can plan those recipes around what you already have at home. Finally, if you're really stuck on what recipes to add to your meal plan, on the website version of Plan to Eat, we have the random recipe button. So simply go to your recipe book and then you can scroll all the way to the bottom of your filters and there's the random recipe button. You can click it and it's gonna just pop up a random recipe for you. You can also put in different search and filtering options and the random recipe will fit those filtering options. Now, once you've made a meal plan that is a winner, make sure you save it as a menu. You can do this on both the app and the website, and menus allow you to save meal plans so that you can use them again in the future. If you have any questions, please email us at help@plantoeat.com. And if you have any tips for how you decide what recipes to plan, please add them in the video description. Thanks for watching.